ErnieAbao
And I'm JomartAguiman.
So we're here to teach you how to install a Windows XP using VirtualBox 4.3. Yes.
So, to begin, sige.
Let's go.
Bye.
So first of all, we need to open our application VirtualBox. So after opening it, just click the new, then name your virtual machine. So as for this, we're going to name it as Windows XP. And you can actually choose the version of your OS. So as for this, Windows XP, then proceed next. In here, you can select the amount of memory to be allocated to the virtual machine. So since it is recommended that to use only 192 megabytes, we're going to proceed with it. Next, then create the virtual hard drive now, and VDI type, dynamically allocated. Then as for this, you can select the size of the virtual hard drives that will limit the amount of file data that our virtual machine will be able to store on the hard drive. So we're just going to use 10 gigabytes. Okay. And after creating this, we need to select the storage or put the ISO disk in the storage. The ISO will serve as the brain of the OS. It has all the information needed in order to install an operating system. And after putting the disk in the storage, just click the start to run the program. Here. This setup will usually take a lot of time or a couple of minutes, but try to avoid not clicking within the blue screen because it might interrupt the process of this setup. So after a couple of minutes, I'm just going to press enter. And here's the terms and agreement that we don't usually read. So just press F8. Here in the partition, it is the part wherein you can create two different divisions of your storage. So as for this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create two partitions. So the first partition, we're going to set up with 6,000 megabytes only. And as for the second partition, it will have the remaining 4,000 megabytes. So here we will have already two partitions, the C and the E. So after creating this partition, we're going to press enter to install. Using the format the partition using the NTFS file system quick. Here. This copying of files will usually take more than a couple of minutes. So just stay put and just relax.
Ah, yes. Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing. Cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so. Hey, that's what.
Oh, so here, after the loading, this will pop up. But it's another loading screen. So this usually takes setup to complete approximately 39 minutes. But within this 39 minutes, there's a part that something will pop up and you need to input something like the name of the machine and if you want to put password, and also you need to input the product key. But as for this tutorial, we're not going to show you the product key since it is a private and not our own product key.
A few moments later.
So after how many minutes, this icon will pop up. So you're just going to proceed with the next. Then name your your personalized software. So we're going to name it as say Mamart. Then the organization is 1R6. Proceed in next. Then here we're going to input the product key. So if you have your product key, you can input it here. So since we're going to censor this product key, we'll just skip this part. So stay tuned for more, and my buddy ErnieAbao will proceed with after inputting the product key and after waiting for 30 minutes.
One eternity later.
Okay, so hi, I'm back, and after patiently waiting, we're almost done with the installation of Windows XP using VirtualBox. So I'm going to teach you the rest of this process. Okay, so we'll wait. And by the way, you can install a Windows XP without using. Welcome to Microsoft. So click next. Help protect my PC by turning on automatic updates. Now it is, since it is recommended, so we'll just go with this one. Since I don't have any internet connection, I'll just skip this one. Are you ready to register on Microsoft? No, not at this time. Yes, not at this time, because I will teach you just about the installation. So your name, I will going to input my name here. Yeah. Okay, so just click next. Then thank you. I'm finished. Okay, so we're almost done with the installation. You just need to set up a couple of things to really finish things up. And I will teach you about the group policy. So if you're going to change about the group policy, you just need to click the start button, then click this run. Then as you can see, I've typed there gpedit.msc. Just click OK. Then here's the group policy. You can change a couple of things here. So me, I want to remove this recycle bin up here. So if I want to remove the recycle bin, I will go to user configuration, administrative templates, then click desktop, since the recycle bin is on the desktop. Then just going to remove recycle bin icon from desktop. Just enable this one and click apply, then okay. So that's just a sample, and as you can see, the recycle bin is still here. Just need to refresh, and the recycle bin is now gone. So if you want to change some things, you can go directly to the group policy. So that's it. That's our tutorial rather about installing Windows XP using VirtualBox. So I hope you learned many things. So thank you for watching, and that's it. Goodbye. Thank you.